So we're going to freeze dry some chili.
What kind of chili?
Turkey chili. Turkey chili we made, we had some extra, a bunch of extra. We hope it's gonna all fit in these 4 pans. We're gonna stick them in the freezer to freeze overnight. And then tomorrow, we're gonna start the freeze drying process. So it's our first real freeze drying after the candy, which we tried. That was fun. That was just for fun. This is for going to serve us a purpose, to make our own emergency food supply. Much chili. We got 2 full trays only, which is fine. We're gonna stick these in the freezer now. And tomorrow, once they're frozen, we're going to start freeze drying. 2 of them will just fit in there. Boom, boom. We're in high temp mode. We don't want that. Reset. We reset it from the candy that we did. And then we save it. Back to there. Start screen. Compressor kicks on. It's going to cool this for 15 minutes or 32 degrees, whichever comes first. All it's doing is cooling the inner chamber down. Gonna cool that chamber down inside to 32 degrees. For 15 minutes, we'll come back and put our chili trays in. Okay, load trays. Drain valve. Closed. Frozen solid. Hey. Little frost. I believe it's frozen. Okay, we decided we were going to try a little sour cream and some cheese in with our chili to see. In we go. 1, 2. We got the seal all the way around. That's what we're looking for there. Load trays, continue. Freezing. That's exactly what we want to see. 47 minutes, 48 minutes, -4. Can't really see anything, but it's definitely freezing. It's all fogged up right now. 22 hours, 33 minutes. I'm gonna stop it here. Process complete. Open drain valve to vent. It's gonna be vacuum. That's it. Our pump is very hot. Very hot. Here we come. Oh. That was it. That was it. That is as warm as it gets. It cracked on its own. This is just from the, you know how the saran wrap formed that little sheet of ice? It stayed there. That's all the ice that built up on the sides. And that will melt into the pot. I'm gonna taste the bean.
Is it so crunchy?
Definitely has no water in it. That is as dry as it can be. We have our oxygen absorbers, our Mylar bags. These came with the unit, right? 50 of them.
Hey, this is so shiny.
So we're gonna cut this into, we decided this 4 portions per tray. So this is 2 portions, 2 portions. So we're gonna pack up 3, right? And we're gonna try 1 today. This is how it should be right here. Look at that. That's as dry as we can go. Just crisp. Pulls right apart. It's like nothing.
Sand.
So we're trying to do it quickly. I don't know how quick we need to do it, but.
Well, we for sure know that once we open these, we have about 15 minutes to use them.
That's what they say. This one's going to have no cheese. Like, I tasted a piece of corn and the flavor was still good. That's a good sign. All right, oxygen absorbers. We opened them. There's 3. I'm gonna put 1 in each bag, right on top, right?
And then we took bread.
That's it. This is ready. We're gonna try to press it. You see?
Mm-hmm.
It's heating until the light goes off.
Good.
That's it. Look at that. That's amazing. Chili date with cheese. Okay, we have our turkey chili. We got 2 servings, so we got 8 servings out of 2 trays. Feels crispy like it should. The oxygen absorber is in there. And we made 2 seals.
Okay, so here I have our 3-day-old freeze-dried chili, and I am going to be bringing it back to life. I have some hot water, and I'm going to be adding it very slowly.
Put it down, I'll film it. It's 8:12. We're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, right?
So it's been 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
I'm going to try one of the beans. They take longer. It's, ooh, that's actually pretty good. Let's see. It's actually really good.
I mean, it looks like real chili.
Well, it's also turkey chili.
Turkey chili. Smells like real chili.
Get some of the peppers in there. It's really good. Like I can taste the spice.
Mm-hmm. I'm really good.
It's crazy.
That's as good as when we made it. Depending if you were in an emergency, dire like zombies,
I mean, this would be amazing.
You could eat it cold. Emergency supply, and you have heat available, you're probably going to heat it up.
Or if you're just using it as leftovers in a few months, I guess.
You can actually freeze dry your leftovers.
Yeah. That's really good. That was about...
Exactly a half a cup we put in for one serving.
And we didn't weigh anything.
No, we didn't weigh it.
We just kind of added as we needed.
Mm-hmm.
So, it's really good.
That's it.